Here is the story of the thirsty frog. Once upon a time, there was a hot day. A crow named Kaka was very thirsty. He flew around looking for water, but he couldn't find any. Then he saw a pot with a little water at the bottom, but it was too deep for him to reach. Kaka thought for a moment, then started dropping small stones into the pot. With each stone, the water level rose a little bit. Kaka kept dropping stones until the water was high enough for him to drink. Kaka was so happy to finally quench his thirst. He flew away, feeling proud of himself for finding a solution to his problems. So, moral of the story is, if you think cleverly, you can solve your problems.